bedwetting. Understand? Because of side effect, it's better to prefer anticholinergic other drugs because these drugs they're producing a lot of side effect. Okay, amipramine we can use for in children for bedwetting, for obsessive. The other uses obsessive compulsive disorder. Obsessive compulsive disorder. Okay, obsessive compulsive disorder. So for depression, if you have the drug like SSRI and SNRI, then no need to go for tricyclic antidepressant. You can see here, tricyclic antidepressant just because of lot of side effects we just use for these pain procedures, yeah, for pain illness, for neuropathic pain. How they help you in pain? I already explained analgesic system. Neuron number one, neuron number 1, neuron number 2, neuron number 3. In analgesic system, this neuron release enkephalin, second neuron release 5-HT, third neuron release again enkephalin. Okay, so in the analgesic system, you're using serotonin. So if you're using serotonin in pain controlling system, if you increase serotonin, it's mean you supporting your analgesic system. Okay. So tricyclic antidepressant used for neuropathic pain. Understand? For neuropathic pain, peripheral neuropathy, and any type of neuropathic pain. For also for it can be used for migraine. Okay, we also can use for migraine. In children, we use for like bedwetting, nocturesis, nocturnal enuresis, imipramine. Okay, understand? Tricyclic antidepressant done. Okay, now we talk about what are the side effects of TCA. Tricyclic antidepressant, what are the side effects? The tricyclic antidepressant, they increase serotonin, they increase norepinephrine. They also going for muscarinic receptor. Another thing, they also go for alpha 1 receptor. It's mean they also interfere with blood pressure. So muscarinic receptor also block, alpha receptor also block. So what will be the side effect here? The side effect, if they block alpha receptor, because they act like anti-muscarinic, so they depress our brain activity, causing sedation. They cause sedation, decrease acetylcholine activity in the inside the brain. Okay, so they causing hypotension, hypo hypotension. The hypotension, why? Because they block alpha 1. They block alpha 1. The side effect of TCA, sedation, hypotension, sedation, hypotension. The other side effect, like same like atropine, dry mouth, dry eye, dry skin, heart rate increase, tachycardia, constipation, and urinary retention. Urinary retention. Okay, urinary retention. Another important side effect, also important side effect, they prolong. If in last lecture you remember, and all antipsychotic prolong QT interval. Okay, all antipsychotic, especially atypical, the antipsychotic, they prolong QT interval. So these tricyclic antidepressant also prolong QT interval. This side effect is important here. Okay, if tricyclic antidepressant, any person using overdose, tricyclic antidepressant toxicity, very lethal. It's a very, very important MCQ. If what the tricyclic antidepressant toxicity, what happened inside the body? If any person take tricyclic antidepressant in high dose, okay, in high dose, they're causing what? They're causing seizure, convulsions. Convulsions means seizure, okay, like tremor, seizure, convulsions. They can cause coma. They also cardiotoxic. Cardio. They also cardiotoxic. There are three main side effects of tricyclic antidepressant. If tricyclic antidepressants at toxic level, they causing what? They causing convulsion, coma, and cardiotoxic. In cardiotoxic, on one side, if you remember, they increase the norepinephrine uptake, okay? Reuptake, they block. When they block norepinephrine increase, yeah? So on one side, they also directly stimulate sympathetic system. On another side, they block muscarinic receptor M2. So if they block M2 receptor, heart rate will increase. So cardiotoxicity, so they increasing the heart rate, they causing arrhythmia. They causing what? Arrhythmia. Causing convulsion, coma, and cardiac. Remember 3C for tricyclic antidepressant. Okay, tricyclic antidepressant at toxic level, causing convulsion, coma, and the cardiotoxic. Okay, causing arrhythmia. This is the reason why you not prefer for using depression. For depression, we need medication for longer duration. Okay, tricyclic antidepressant producing a lot of side effect as compared to SSRI and SNRI. So what's your drug of preference for depression? The first line therapy, SSRI. The second option, SNRI. Understand? Tricyclic antidepressant. Why you not prefer for depression? So nowadays tricyclic antidepressant, they're not used for depression. They're having the other uses like neuropathic pain. We use for pain system, okay? Because tricyclic antidepressant, they having action like reuptake, inhibitor for serotonin, the increasing serotonin in pain controlling system. They increase serotonin level. So in analgesic system, we're using serotonin, yeah? And the second number neuron in analgesic system from medulla oblongata till spinal cord, this is serotonin neuron. So if you increase serotonin in analgesic system, it means you're controlling pain, okay? This is the reason why SNRI, write a question here. Why SNRI and TCA, tricyclic antidepressant, use in pain. Why? What's the reason? What's the reason? In pain controlling system start from midbrain. Number one neuron till medulla oblongata, and second neuron till spinal cord. The third neuron inside the spinal cord. The second neuron, the first neuron using enkephalin, the second neuron using 5-HT. Okay, so these drugs, they increasing 5-HT, so that's why we use for pain controlling system. Understand? SNRI also can use for neuropathic pain, and tricyclic antidepressant also used for neuropathic pain. You are clear? So tricyclic antidepressant, the use is only left behind for neuropathic pain, for migraine, okay, and to control bedwetting in children, amipramine, okay. Triptyline, not triptyline, amipramine, that's mipramine, okay. So these are the tricyclic antidepressant. If the tricyclic antidepressant in the patient, their toxic level, their toxicity, they causing toxicity what? If in case of overdose, in case of overdose, must keep in mind this concept, okay? In case of overdose, they're causing seizure, convulsions, coma, and they are cardiotoxic. So how you can treat this patient? How you can treat this patient? We need to use, because these drugs are acidic in nature. These drugs are acidic in nature, so we can use base sodium bicarbonate. Must keep in mind, okay? This is the same like the antidote. We use bicarbonate, sodium bicarbonate, to eliminate this drug from the kidney, okay? So in case of overdose, if the patient take a lot of tricyclic antidepressant pills, then as antidote we're using sodium bicarbonate in case of overdose. Okay, clear? In case of overdose, to prevent these toxic effects, convulsion, coma, and cardiotoxicity, so you can use sodium bicarbonate. These three group done. SSRI, SNRI, tricyclic antidepressant. Which of these three very best for depression?
SSRI.
Your first line, okay. Second option, SNRI. You can use for OCD, generalized anxiety disorder, okay. Post traumatic stress disorder, post traumatic stress disorder. Clear? SNRI also used for neuropathy. SSRI used for bulimia. Understand? So how about the side effect of SSRI? Very common side effect, loss of the serotonin syndrome. Serotonin syndrome, okay. Serotonin syndrome. Third one, very high level of ADH, SIADH, okay. These three main side effects. Understand? How about the side effect of this SNRI? Nausea, vomiting, and how about the blood pressure? Oh, hypertension. Now come to this side. Tricyclic antidepressant. So you can use for only OCD. Not for depression. You can use for neuropathy pain. You can use for migraine. You can use for in children nocturnal, this mean at night, nocturnal and uresis, bedwetting, okay. These are the uses of tricyclic. You can see here the tricyclic antidepressant, they're no more used for depression, okay. No more use for depression. Why? Because they're causing the big list of side effects. So what are the side effects of TCA? The side effect of TCA. Alpha 1, hypotension. They block muscarinic receptor, yeah. They also block M2 receptor block, heart rate increase. They block M3 receptor. M3 receptor block, the same side effect like atrophy in dry skin, dry eye, dry mouth, constipation, urinary retention. At toxic level, when they're toxing, at toxic level, what they are doing? One thing, another thing here, QT prolong. At toxic level, they can cause coma, causing convulsion. They are cardiotoxic. Cardiotoxic. You can see big list of side effects. More bigger list, yeah. So this is the reason why you not prefer for depression. Understand? Why you not prefer for depression? These drugs they use for neuropathic pain, so nocturnal enuresis, okay? Not especially for depression. Not especially for depression. Clear? Only two group left. Okay, so next one. Just name. This will discuss in tomorrow class. Monoamine oxidase inhibitor enzyme type B or A?
A.
Before I write B, no one let me know. A, okay, not B.
Yes, A, sir.
So what is the name here? Phenylcypromine. Phenyl, very hard name. Phenylcypromine. Isocarboxylide. Very hard name of this. Carboxa. Carboxylide. Phenelzine. Phenylcypromine. Isocarboxylide. Oxidase inhibitor type A. Type A enzyme. This type A enzyme, these are not reuptake inhibitor, okay? These are not reuptake inhibitor. So these inhibitor, if you remember, what is the location of monoamine oxidase enzyme? Monoamine oxidase enzyme present inside the mitochondria of the nerve, yeah? Here. This monoamine oxidase enzyme, two category, one B, another A. A for breakdown of norepinephrine, breakdown of 5-HT, breakdown of epinephrine. B for breakdown of dopamine. Understand? So here have no concern with dopamine. You don't need to talk about this. Son? So you are going to block this enzyme, monoamine oxidase inhibitor A. Understand? So you're going to increase 5-HT, you're going to increase norepinephrine and epinephrine. Here you can easily understand monoamine oxidase inhibitor, they causing what? Hypertension. This is the main side effect, okay? Not used in heart patient. In heart patient, MI patient having depression, you're giving monoamine oxidase inhibitor, you're killing the patient, okay? Not used in heart patient. So hypertensive crisis is the main side effect of monoamine oxidase inhibitor. So the remaining discussion we will discuss tomorrow, inshallah. Only two group left for depression. Okay. If any question,
Okay,
you
sir.
can ask me. You can ask me in group.
Okay, sir.
Okay, see you inshallah tomorrow. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam, sir. Thank you very much.
Ombak sepi jadi.
Sumpah.
Nggak konsen tahu kelasnya sudah.
Rizky mana?
Emang.
Oh, dia muncul di grup.
Muncul
Wen,
Rizky
Iya.
di grup katanya.
Wendy,
Hah?
Wen, lihat nih Wen.
Dia bilang,
Lihat nih Wen.
Ini Rizky baru datang.
Mata gue.
Kau terlalu sering main FF, Bib.
Bocah FF.
Rizky muncul kambing sumpah.
Maja.
Wen, apa itu tete, Wen?
Hah?
Apa itu tete?
Tete? Huruf
Iya,
T.
Timur,
Titi.
Timur.
Ah, Timur.
Cuman nih, tak tahu.
Ombak pica.
Udah ada yang bikin surat itu kah?
Apanya?
Iyalah. Enggak, tunggu, aku yang bikin
Benar.
Zoom ya?
Iya. Aku
Ada yang bikin surat.
pasal itu.
Surat penundaan bayar kah?
Bisa.
Kan kami
Buatlah.
sudah bikin surat.
Ih,
Kalau
senior
surat tidak membayar bisa.
Bisa di
Surat DO ada deh.
surat
Tunggu
resign.
ready jadi apa ya?
kemarin itu ya senior kita yang di mana ya? Terus kan mereka klinik terus tahu.
Anjay, bagaimana